Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create an access token in your BitGo account. First of all, open up preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in bitgo.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, at the top right corner of your screen, you will see your profile icon. Click on it and you will see Enterprise Settings option. Click on that button. After that, you will see 4 different tabs here. Click on Developer Options tab. Here you can see Create Access Token button. Click on it. Here you need to type in your account password and two-factor authentication code generated by your authenticator application. After typing in the information, you need to click on Submit button. After that, you will find this page here. Now type in the name of your token. After that, you will need to select the validity of this token and the time for it. After that, select the permissions you want to keep. Now type in the IP address here. This IP address will get the access to these. After that, you can limit the number of spendings. Now click on I agree button here. After that, you need to type in your two-factor authentication code on this field. After that, click on Add Access Token button. After that, you need to save this token and click on this button here. So that is how you can create the access token in BitGo account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.